apparently traffic problem is one of the Malaysia's biggest fear, and it's also what they eagerly want to solve. One of the remedies is by taking public transport. Currently, Malaysia's public transport system includes KTM, taxi, and also rapid service from our company, which are LRT, monorail, BRT, and normal bus. Each of them have advantages and disadvantages. For example, most of them have long construction period, cost a lot, and takes up road space. Moreover, customers often face problems when using them.
For example, long waiting time of normal bus, long travelling time of KTM commuter, low capacity of normal bus, and also low availability of taxi services.
Taken into consideration of issue mentioned previously, our company decided to replace current rapid bus with our new concept AirBus. This is a bus which car can actually drive through. Our AirBus sits above the car without blocking any traffic below. It is 4.5 meter high and 7.8 meter wide. Our AirBus ingeniously utilizes the space below the underpass and above the car. It will be 2-lane wide and can hold up to 150 passengers per car, running an average of 40 km per hour. It has a huge skylight that provides passengers with a spacious and comfortable physical environment. Building the bus will involve remodeling of the route. We can go with lane rail on the both sides or just simply paint 2 wide lanes on the both sides. The latter will require the autopilot technology, which allows the bus to follow the line and run safely.
Our AirBus is completely powered by principal electricity and solar energy system. We use the setting called relay direct current electrification, which the bus itself is an electrical connector, 2 wheels built on the top to allow the charging pole to run along with the bus, and before the earlier one leaves, the next charging poles will be on the rails. The AirBus is equipped with super capacity that can charge, discharge, and store electricity quickly. The most impressive part is that the whole process involves zero toxic gas release. Besides, the AirBus has a sensor boards to ensure that the motorists do not get too close to the bus and to remind them about the high constraint. There are also light indicators to show that the bus is going to make a turn. Applying the principle of bus priority, the bus will be given priority to cross the route using the traffic light system. So, what about the evacuation system? What if the bus involved in an accident? If you ever get into the plan, you will probably know how our system works. In case of any emergency, our escaping door will open automatically with an inflated ladder, allowing passengers to slide down. To sum up, our AirBus biggest strength is that it saves up group place, it is environmental friendly, and at the same time, it has high efficiency and high capacity. As a bonus, it involves only short construction life compared to other transport systems.
Our existing rapid KL bus provide our service to over 6 areas with a total of 135 routes all over Klang Valley. This is our selective plan as we choose to focus on only one place. We would like to first replace some of our existing rapid KL route in the Kuala Lumpur City Central with our latest product, which is our AirBus around Bukit Bintang. Our first route will be located near several monorail stations. Therefore, there are interchange stations between monorail and our bus. This route begins from the heart of modern KL, the Golden Triangle, which includes Lot 10, Star Hill and Pavilion. Some other mainland of Golden Triangle is the home to outmarket and workaday malls, many of KL's best hotels and restaurants, and some engaging street life. These are the areas which have the highest traffic in Malaysia. Next, our service will cover some famous working areas including Tabung Haji, Menara City Band, Menara Matrix, and many more. The bus will also pass by the chief attraction, the Petronas Tower, soaring above one of the KL's best malls, Surya KLCC. The reason why we choose this location is because of the traffic congestion and highly demand on the public transportation. Besides, we discovered that there is insufficient places or seats for our passengers. For information, we will slowly replace all of our current rapid KL routes in Klang Valley with our latest product, the AirBus, in the future.
For promotion, we plan to embark a two-pronged marketing blitz using conventional and electronic technology, focusing on full strategy of public relations and direct and digital marketing. The first step is to create a Facebook or Twitter page to promote our service. Not only that, we are also creating our own website to provide content information of our services. Furthermore, we will start an e-marketing blitz by sending information on our services and benefits by email to our existing and potential customers in our database. In order to create an understanding of our service and its benefits, we will produce a video release in various social media platforms and websites to promote our services.
In 1 year time, we would like to increase the ridership of our AirBus by 10%.